Hello everyone, my name is Oliver Rubio and the subject that I'm going to present you today is a very complex and controversial topic. Nevertheless, I think that psychology can be approached in a very enlightening way. The theme is how to achieve reconciliation in Colombian post-conflict. Well, first it's necessary to contextualize the problem. Colombia is one of the countries with the most violence in the world. For years, it has suffered from an armed conflict that has claimed hundreds of thousands of victims, and we are the second country with the largest number of displaced people in the world. Despite of this, and after some difficult negotiation between the government and FARC, a peace agreement was reached, which was signed in 2016. However, this is not a sufficient solution. Today, we face an even more complicated challenge to reconciliate the population that has experienced the trauma of war. Now, the country suffered from a serious political polarization, palpable in the Thai election of plebiscite for peace. In the same way, citizens and political leaders like the Democratic Center insist on maintaining a war discourse. Uh, the goal of many of them was the extermination of their political rival, not the negotiation table. Even the murder of social leaders with great force has resurfaced, and organizations such as the Black Eagles or Águilas Negras threaten the stability of Colombian democracy. So, what is the solution? Well, the psychology have studied two types of process that can lead a polarized society like Colombia to the reconciliation of its political actors. First, there are warm or affective process, and then is forgiveness, which is beneficial for both the victim and the aggressor. Hence, there is a need for political will of leaders to encourage victims to forgive their aggression. Okay, this is a uh, call process, are call process or cognitive process. This type of process must be implemented. It's a system that allows the parties to the conflict to recognize each other versions, and more importantly, the parties involved recognize that the discourse of other has some validity. This process is called pyramid of reconciliation in psychology. Uh, in call process, there are two factors. First, know the narrative of other, and then we need to incorporate both word process and call process. Uh, Call process how the narrative, and word process how uh, as a forgiveness. To sum up, Colombia lives a strongly politicized and divided environment. And reconciliation is the key to overcoming those differences. Reconciliation is composed of cognitive and affective process, and both are necessary if we want reconciliation in our society. To achieve reconciliation, the emotional and cognitive involvement of the parties is necessary, and reconciliation is a fundamental pillar to heal the wounds of armed conflict. Thanks for everything.